Okay, Monster. I'm pouring the Monster right here. Just a similar amount of Monster. Then I'm pouring this Red Bull here. Okay, similar amount of Red Bull. And now our excess. Okay, this is our excess. Putting that similar. Okay, as you see, this is from Monster. Okay, the milk is turning like curds. Okay, in a little bit longer you will really see it separated. It's already starting to separate. You can see that visually. Yeah, oh my God. Okay, this is same thing. You can even stir it if you need to, but you don't, This is with Red Bull. This is our okay. You can even drink this because this is still good and nice like a smoothie. Yes, this is energized smoothie. Okay. Now you can even keep it for 1 hour, 2 hours. This will stay the same, and this will be already separated here, right here. This is all curd. Wow. That's how we got to learn. A lot of doing some demos. We got to believe in the products. Now what that means? That means that Monster Red Bull has this thing called acid. Acidic. They are acidic. They are acidic, and that's the reason, when you put some acidic in the milk and all, it gets curd. Okay, there is acidic here. Okay, our excess doesn't have that. This excess, okay? And what that means is like, acidic basically, what happens in the body when you put some kind of little bit more of acidic thing in the body, usually your body gets like, your body should be either basic or neutral. Learn more about that, like, as a healthy thing, like, your body should not have too much of acidity. It should be more of a neutral or basic. If you have a basic, then it's really good. Neutral is good. That's how our LOC is very neutral. Even if you can, with hand and all that, LOC is very neutral. You gotta know that, pH, I'm talking about pH level. It's pretty neutral. Okay, while this one, again, as I said, it's higher. What that means is, when you get acidity, in the body, it's more free radicals happens. What is free radical does, eventually, basically they get into the, your body acidic, that means it has more prone to cancerous cell and things like that. And that's the reason usually we take a lot of Neutralite product that keeps you healthy and all that, basically, which is good. So that's, these are just as I said, look at this. Are you all excited? You're not drinking all this, So maybe just for Monster, I know. Just check it out before you drink next time.